Hi there. First of all, I want to thank you for hiring the team here at Kleem Law to get busy on your case to represent you. I want you to know how much I appreciate you, how much I appreciate that this is an important case to you, and because it's important to you, it's important to us. So I'm humbled to be able to work on your case with you. I want you to know we take that seriously. This video, I want to do three things in this video. Number one, I want to talk to you about what to expect over the next 24 hours or so. Number two, the best way for you and I to communicate with one another. And number three, to go over some of the other documents and some of the other links that were in that email that you received. Okay, first of all, what to expect over the next 24 hours. My goal is within 24, or really within one business day, I should say. This doesn't necessarily apply on the weekends, but within one business day, I hope to be able to get back with you with a plan or with documents or whatnot. Okay, if I'm going to be working on documents, I hope to be able to get to those. If I can't get to them, I'll let you know a time frame when I can. If you and I need to get back together to prepare, to get ready for a hearing or to come up with a plan or whatnot, then I hope to be able to reach out to you within 24 hours so that we can set that up. So if you don't hear from me with a specific like this within 24 hours, within one business day, please let me know. Please reach out to us. We don't want anything to fall through the cracks. So if this is an automated system I got going on here, but I want you to hear from me specifically or from my staff specifically. So if you don't hear from me otherwise within 24 hours, go ahead and give us a call. Make sure we're following up with exactly what we need to do to get started on your case. That's number one. Number two, best way to communicate with me. I will tell you that phone calls work, but it is hard sometimes to reach me by phone. You may have already experienced that. I've got a lot of cases, and so I'm not always available by phone. What you can do is you can call in. If you can reach me, great. If not, my staff will sometimes set a time for me to call you back. We do that just so you and I are not playing phone tag, and that can make it more effective for us being able to talk again. That's no problem at all. The other ways to get in touch with me, you can text my work number, the 277-0606. Sometimes that can be a very effective way for us to communicate back and forth. There's also a system that I have called My Case. It has an online client portal for you to be able to access information about your case. And there's a messaging feature in there. A lot of times I like to communicate there because it keeps a good record of everything and we know exactly what we're going back and forth on. So you should receive over the next 24 hours a link or an email that has a link to sign up for that online client portal. It works through your email. You set your own password. And it also has a smartphone app a free smartphone app where you can access that portal that way. I prefer to not use email for secure client information. Email is just not very secure, so I don't want to send information out by email that's not going to get to you or that's going to get to someone else. Okay, so My Case, emails, less important, phone calls, texting, all those ways you can reach out to me. You'll sometimes get some other emails from me that have generic information, maybe with some other videos and things like that. That's just so you can be educated about where you are in the case and things like that. Number three, I want to talk to you about two other links that are in that email. Number one is to what's called a domestic relations financial affidavit. If you're in a contested case that includes divorce or any kind of child custody, child support, then we're going to need you to fill out that domestic relations financial affidavit. You'll receive another email or another video. Maybe there's going to be another link to a video in your email that explains how to fill that out. But I want you to know that that's an important document that we're going to need. We're going to need it before mediation or before a hearing, okay? There's also a link to an online parenting class. During COVID, we're allowed to go to a parenting class online. So if you're in a divorce or any kind of custody case and you haven't previously taken the co-parenting class, you're going to have to take it. I think the one on the link is for $24. It's a 4-hour class. Once COVID is over and they start doing an in-person class, we may have to change this video. But keep that in mind that we do need to do that before there's a final order for divorce or other custody matters if you haven't taken it already. Thanks a lot. Again, thank you for the trust you've put in us here at Kleem Law. We take it seriously. If you don't hear from us within about 24 hours, please reach out to us. Thanks a lot.